Today I'm going to show you how to remove the built-in flow restrictor on a Kohler bathroom faucet, so you can finally get full water pressure again. This faucet is beautiful, but that tiny hidden filter inside seriously kills the flow. Let's fix that. Tools you'll need: a set of Allen wrenches, small flathead screwdriver, thin needle nose pliers, standard flathead screwdriver, 7/8" socket with wrench. Step 1. Remove the handle. Take a look at the faucet. On the front, there's a small Allen screw that holds a handle assembly to the cartridge. Use your 2.5mm Allen wrench and loosen that screw. Once it's loose, pull the handle straight up. You'll see a small square bracket underneath. Set that aside. Step 2. Remove the top screw. Right on top of the cartridge is a small flathead screw that secures the handle bracket. Use your flathead screwdriver and remove that screw completely. Step 3. Remove the metal cap. Next, you'll see a metal protective cap surrounding the cartridge. Slip your flathead screwdriver under the edge and gently pry upward. The cap will pop off easily. Step 4. Remove the retaining nut. Now you'll see the retaining nut that holds everything together. Grab your 7/8" socket, loosen the nut, and finish unscrewing by hand. Once the nut is off, the whole cartridge assembly will lift right out. Step 5. Identify the built-in flow restrictor. With the cartridge removed, look into the faucet body. You'll see 3 holes. 2 small holes at the top, eyes, hot and cold inlets. 1 larger hole at the bottom, mouth, mixed water outlet. Inside that bottom opening is a tiny circular filter disc. This is your built-in flow restrictor, and it clogs very easily. Step 6. Remove the restrictor. Use a small flathead or needle nose pliers to grab the edge of the filter. Pull it straight out. As you can see, it's probably full of debris. Once it's gone, the faucet will operate at full flow. Step 7. Reassemble the faucet. Place the cartridge back in the faucet, making sure the 2 alignment tabs are facing the correct direction. Press it down firmly to seat the gasket. Reinstall the retaining nut with a 7/8" socket. Snug it, but don't over-tighten. Replace the metal cap, making sure the keyed notch lines up in the bottom corner. Install the beveled flathead screw that holds the handle bracket in place. Give it a solid tighten so the handle stays secure. Slide the handle back on and tighten the 2.5mm Allen screw from the back. Step 8. Adjust water flow. Once everything is reinstalled, turn the faucet on. You'll notice a huge difference in flow. If the full flow is too strong, you can fine-tune it by slightly closing the shutoff valves under the sink. Adjust until you get the perfect balance. And that's it. You've successfully removed the hidden Kohler flow restrictor and restored your faucet's water pressure. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next plumbing fix.